Buenos dias, buenos dias. What's up, peeps? It's your boy Ed Kane. Just going for a walk this morning. This is what I do every day. Every morning and then in the afternoon. This is about 82 degrees. Beautiful morning in the DR. Winter. Can you believe it's actually winter time? It's crazy. And at night it gets not chilly, but like 72, 69, 72. And most of the locals be complaining that it's frio. Mucho frio, too cold. Or very cold. What the plotter sign? Take this walk, I go up just to get some exercise, and I go up to the store, get some coffee. You know, I have a coffee maker at home. Just, you know, just to go for the walk. Scenery, get some fresh air. Man, you could never get sick of that. Isabella de Torres Mountain. This is some type of monument here. I'm not really sure. I actually have it in English. I've never even walked all the way up to the and read the sign. It's a monument of sorts, and sit down, relax, tranquilo. Little pond here. Another car lot. You got the Camaro, Mustang. Hola. Got your Rastaman in the D. It's a little restaurant, Three Fongo. It's pretty cool. I ate there about a month ago. Had some shrimp. It was okay. It wasn't amazing, but it was okay. You see everybody's on the bike. Hola, hola, mi hermano. I'm good. Buenos dias.
You look Dominican, man.
I look like a Dominican.
Yeah,
but
where
right now,
you going?
I'm going to the store, man. I'm good. I live down the street.
I have a motor for rent.
Motor for rent?
Yeah.
How much?
$20.
$20 a day?
Yeah.
You got a car? A car?
I bring free to the market.
Oh, no, I'm good right now. I'm going to the store. I got somewhere to be. I have to be on a meeting. Phone call. I have to be on a meeting.
I bring free, no problem.
No, I'll see you again. Brother. All right, man. Mucho gusto. Guys, gas regular is 191 pesos. That's like $4 a gallon. It's crazy. $4 a gallon in a company that is impoverished and does not have a good economy. So that tells you how the government is just jacked up. Hola. Buenos noches. All right, guys, I'm out. Hola, mi hermano. Bien, ¿y tú? Bien. All right, guys, your boy out. Get some coffee and head back to the crib. Adios.